to do if the left side of the bed won't go down whenever you try to put it down. What the little speedometer cable has come dislodged. This guy here is usually hand tight. Unscrew it here, and inside you will find what looks like a speedometer cable. It's actually square on the end. So what happens is it doesn't get seated at the opposite end. So I push it in with my finger a little bit like this, and then make sure that it goes back into the hole correctly. You don't want to force it. In fact, I'll just hit the button here. There we go, to make sure it goes in. Okay, so I just turned the little, I made the chair go up some, the couch go up some, just so I'd have enough turn so that goes in correctly. Always leave the vehicle running when you're doing this, because it uses a lot of the RV battery up to do this. So now you can go back over here. That works like a champ.